You have requested me that please show me at least one project of marketing. So I'm showing this one, but it does not mean that this is the ideally the correct one or this is the best project. You can make it much better than this. It is just a clue kind of thing that you can see it and you can make a project better than this. First point, you have not to write here the roll number. You will leave this space. Please do not write your class roll number. Leave this space and the board roll number would be written here. Or you can do one thing, you can write with pencil your class roll number. And when your board roll number comes, then you write that. So this would be the first page of your project. This would be the second page of the project, that is certificate. This also would be printed. This is your third page of the project. It also would be printed. Like she has written here, the study of marketing management of hair oil. You may write this the name of your brand also and then write hair oil. This is the fourth page. Please follow the sequence as well. Fifth page is the acknowledgement or preface, you may call it. You will write your name here, class, section, roll number. Then page number 6 would be the index. As you are seeing here how she has divided the entire project into 19 chapters or 19 headings. First one is heading, then reason for selecting the product or service, whatever you are doing. Then your competitive brands. So you may write here competitors instead of writing 5 competitive brands. Just write competitors and the USP of your competitors, the price of your competitors product, all these you can show it in one unit, one part, one chapter. Permission and license. This much would be enough. Don't write required. Permission and license, and then mention all those forms, all those websites which are required to get the permission and license. Same branding, then features of the product, then range of the product, price of the product, selling price of competitors brand. This selling price of competitors brand can be merged with this my competitors under the heading my competitors. Then USP of my product, that should be written here, or USP of name of your hair oil. Channel of distribution, ways of promotion, then different schemes, warehousing, transportation, cost effective technique for promotion plan, cost effective technique for production, and then finally the conclusion. And you must add here point number 20, appendix or the bibliography too. You may rearrange these chapters or these part of the project as per your convenient. And then you start here with the introduction of your project. Please do write the page number, and I would advise you to write the page number at the last. When you have completed your project in all respect, then only you should put the page number. In index, you just write all these details and then write the page number finally just before submitting your project, because some of the things you change, so you will not have to change this page or the page number. Just see now, I need not to say anything about it. We just go through it, see it. This is the reason for selecting the product. You always have the option to pause the video and see it. So to make the video shorter, I am doing it fast. See how nicely this has been made. This is the brand name of the hair oil, Tender Touch. See the labeling, how nicely she has done. Then features of the product. Everywhere, she has supported with the relevant photograph. You may use the photograph or diagram, graph, wherever you need. See how nicely she has decided the price of the product. When you keep it 59, it looks less in comparison to 60 rupees. I would expect here the price of your competitors when you are writing here. Then what is the price for the retailer, for the wholesaler, that also you should mention. About your product, the USP of your product, you should mention it very clearly in bold headings. Channel of distribution. Now ways of promotion, different schemes, warehousing facilities, transportation. These have been not properly explained, so I would expect that you should write that which promotion plan you will be using for your product. Then all these things, just the heading has been written here. I would expect from you that you should elaborate this little one and which one you will be using. So basically the project is to cover all these 4 P's of marketing mix. Remember it. Then finally you can conclude. Please do not do this. Just don't write the website name. You have to write here the URL as I showed you. That how it should be done. So with this, I would say thanks to all of you. All the best. Prepare your project so nicely and be as creative as you can be. And one more thing I would like to remind you here, that wherever she has written, she has used only one color, that is blue, but different shades she has used. You may use the sketch pen of blue color, you may use the ball pen of blue color, you may use the gel pen of blue color. So you have different options. Use it, but write with one color only, that is blue. Thank you.